Hey guys, so today's video is going to be yet another haul because we know I can't stop shopping. I kind of bought some stuff because as a little celebratory to myself because something has happened recently. I've got some stuff from New Look because they're having a sale and I bought stuff on there. And I also went to Bicester Village today actually in the hopes of getting a new work bag, but that did not happen. Went in some places, but I'll get to that. We'll do New Look first. So I placed a New Look order online and I got next day online delivery, which actually came 2 days later because I ordered it at like 10:30 in the evening, so that's why. But it came to 50 quid, so if you spent over 45 you got like free next day delivery in store. So when I picked it up, got two, like one massive bag and one other bag for it. One thing I do have to say about the bags straight off is they leave your hands black from this, which I don't enjoy. Got some scissors, so I've just unbagged everything like from the main bag, so it'll be easier to work with. First thing is in here, and I brought this rucksack, backpack if you will. This was on sale for £8. It was originally $19.99, so that's not bad. I'm going to have so much clearing up to do, but it looks like this. I thought it was very Gucci / Coach vibes because of like the stripe and like the type of bag it is. Oh, the zip is actually very good on that bit. Little front pocket there, and then main pocket in here, and it's actually got an internal pocket as well, which is really not that big. To be honest, I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I really liked it. I liked the look of it, and I was in TK Maxx the other day and they had a Coach backpack for £200. And I thought this is very reminiscent of it. That other one was like massive. This isn't. But I don't know. I just really liked it. The next purchase, which is also in the sale, everything was in the sale, was inspired by the Man Blueprint because I've seen it on his Instagram. And yeah, I've been wanting a coat like this for a while. I've seen one in like, nearly bought one in the Top Man sale, but it was like check. Very like fleece, very reminiscent of like a fleece you wore in like primary school, if anyone else wore those. But it is this jacket. I'm gonna have to show you it on because otherwise it's just, hopefully it'll fit. It's quite nice inside. It's like a teddy bear jacket. Oh, it fits quite well. Does it have, it has those pockets? Are they buttoned? Oh, they're not. I really like this. So this was £17. It's got an internal pocket, which we love, don't we? But this fits really well. It was £17. I didn't really want to pay full price for it because it's not something that I'm just going to wear all the time, is it? And it's like teddy bear, and it's really, it's like quilted inside, got inside pocket. I have got a New Look coat, like, not, it is pretty much like this, but only the collar is Borg and the rest is like coat material. I don't understand. I don't know how to explain, but like, I feel like this is molting though. This is very thick though, and the weather at the moment is coming more spring, so I don't know how well I'm going to wear this, so I'm going to have to try and get the wear out of it by just wearing t-shirts underneath. But I will show you properly on opening this one up. This is just a black striped t-shirt. I really like these. I have really got one from Top Man, but it's way too like long line for me. It's literally nearly down to my knees, and I'm just like, for someone who's short already, it makes me look even shorter. So this was originally £9.99. I think it was £4 in the sale. It smells a bit weird, but just black with white stripes. I've seen this on loads of people's Instagrams as well. I think this would look nice with that coat actually, and just some blue jeans. Now the last item is the reason why I made this order. This was originally £59 and I got everything here for 50. This was in the sale for 21. Oh, it's got like a back piece to it. It is like a pea coat. This is actually thinner than I thought it was going to be. So I've got one at the moment, which I've had for quite some time. It's from Forever 21 and I got that in the sale for £20 as well. Well no, even less I think. And I got that literally before I started university. So like 7 years ago nearly. And I don't quite exactly like it anymore. There's too much. If you watch my coat collection, link up here somewhere, you will see why I don't like that anymore. It's very top heavy, it's got a hood and everything, and I don't really like hoods on coats that aren't meant to have hoods. Like, there's no reason for that to have a hood. It's done up again. Why is it so done up? But this is thinner. Please fit well. Not sure. The sleeves are quite long for me because I've got so short arms. Has it got pockets? Where are the pockets? Oh, they're flaps. I was like, no, it has to have pockets. It's got pockets. Please have an inside one. Yay. I'm going to have to look at it properly on because I'm not sure if the arms look a bit ridiculous because they're so long on me. But it's not too thick, it's not like quilted inside, so you can layer well with this. So that's the new look part of the haul done and dusted. Thought there was quite some good pieces there. Let's move on to Bicester. As I was saying, went for a bag, went in Ted Baker. I'm not 100% impressed with Ted Baker's quality because my bag at the moment is from Ted Baker. The handle is completely ruined. I've had it 2 years. It was £69. I got it from Bicester as well. I wouldn't have paid full price, like the 109, but was in there. Like, a lot of their bags are over 100 quid now, even at the outlet price, and not about that for a Ted Baker bag that's not even leather. So there was one, they had 30% off additionally for anything that on top of the outlet price. So I was considering it. Made one like £59, but again wasn't leather, and I just knew it was just going to go the way that my current bag has gone. But I did go in places like Coach, Michael Kors, Mulberry, stuff like that, and too expensive. I really want a Mulberry one, but it's just not in the price bracket at the moment. So I did pop into Tommy Hilfiger and got 2 things. If you saw on my Insta stories, I did a little show of one of the items that you can see I bought. But first thing I picked up was this t-shirt. Thought it was quite nice. Originally was £30, went down to 20. Oh, it's quite thick and it's just got stars and then stripes and then, what does it say? Hilfiger denim at the bottom. So just a standard t-shirt in grey. Grey is like my favourite colour, clearly. But I like anything with like stars and stripes on. Not that I'm patriotic American or anything, but it's kind of the logo, isn't it? They were having 20% off shirts, chinos and jumpers. So I got this shirt, which I've got something very similar to this from like Primark, but this is Tommy Hilfiger. And it's got the logo and stuff everywhere, which you can't really see because it kind of blends into the pattern, which is just a blue, white and red gingham. And this was originally 65, went down to 44, and then went down to like 36 or something with 20% on top of that. So yeah, really like that. So that is the end of this haul. Quite a few things there. Bicester wasn't as successful as I would have hoped. Did go on All Saints as my beloved All Saints, but wasn't anything really catching my eye. And I think I'd already bought stuff in Tommy Hilfiger by that point. Maybe I hadn't. No, I hadn't. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram, which will be linked below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.